Alright, well, I'm up here and I'm out scouting for a new spot. I've gone down a couple of trails already. Probably spent about 2 hours so far walking around in the bush. For the most part, as you can see, it's kind of like a trail. Not really though. But I've come up with nothing. That's where I'm coming from. This is where I parked the car, up here somewhere. I was trying to get to Niger Lake from a different angle, see if there's some different campsites. But what I think, instead of trekking through all this bush, I think what I'm going to do is go back to our original spot, jump in the canoe that's sitting there. Not sure whose canoe it is, and scope it out from the water. Might be a little bit easier to find a spot. Then I can get out, and it looks like maybe something down that way, a trail of some sort, but way overgrown. So I gotta bring a machete to get through this. There's a lot of pricklies. Alright, so just a minute ago I said, hey, look that, there's a trail over there. So I come up. Turns out it's a thunderbox. Looks like maybe a bear turned it over trying to get to people's poop. But you can tell there's a hole, you know, and there's no more trail after this. So it must be a well-used spot, that's for sure. Alright, well, I'll have to check some more because this doesn't really interest me much unless we are in tents, you know, and having like 30 people come up. We could totally own this whole spot. Nice big clearing. This is at the end of the road, Niger Lake. And you take your first right. This is the end of that dead end street on the map. Alright. It's a little ghetto at this time. I'll need some tightening. A little bit of adjustments. There she is. The heck? Well, if you come on the inside here, I'll show you what's going on. So, there's my heat shield, roll of teepee, emergency blanket. I'm going to have to adjust that corner. My head will be up here, mosquito net. Here we are. This thing is awesome. Look how far it comes out. I'm holding it right in my hand. Could sleep 2 people, I'm sure, or at least 2 kids. But it says not to, you know, exceed 200 pounds. Okay, so. Oh yeah. Giggity. Do some fishing. Alright, last installment. We got some tortellini cooking. Oh yeah. Well, almost cooking. And we just went and got a sleeping bag. So, I'll give you a little peek inside. See it kind of bulging out here, so I'm going to have to move this rainfly at least out to here. But look. Oh yeah. Underneath that, I got the emergency blanket, which is that. And over there, if you can see it, there's a heat shield. Alright, giggity. Alright, that's done for now. I can mess around with that in a little bit. I'm kind of hungry, and I haven't even had a drink yet. I think I can get in that cooler, crack open some Stella Artois. Garlic, oh yeah. What we got here? Garbage bag, of course. Orange juice, sweet tarts, mustard, honey. There's 50-60 bucks worth of meat underneath all that. And yeah, let's just get him here. This is what you call CnF Drunkin Bushcraft. Let's get her on. All right. Whew. I spent last hour a bit collecting some wood. Everything I got is right from the ground. You know, we don't kill trees and stuff. Whew. I'm sweating pretty good, so I should probably take a break. Some nice logs. I have to cut those up. Pulled that one down, but somebody, I guess maybe the wind killed that one. Whew. Bunch of stuff I found here. I had to put it up by the fireplace here. Hopefully it'll dry out a bit. These ones will burn pretty good, but pretty fast. But they are wet, so kind of trying to dry them out a bit. I think I'm going to start processing some of this and cool down. Got some Joy Division playing over there. All right, giggity. All right, so we're doing a CnF Bushcraftin. It's pretty late. I don't know. Chris worked late tonight. He's on his way up. I just drank fucking looks like I just drank a 6-pack of Tall Boys. I had that tortellini as you guys saw earlier. And now I'm working on this shit called black. Oh, let's turn it around. There it is. Black Label Shiraz McGilligan. Let me turn off my headlight. We'll see. Maybe we can read that a little better. No. Turn it on red. No. Anyway, just cracked it. Just talked to Chris. He's on his way. He's just got on Highway 60, so he's about a half hour out. That's where he'll be coming from. There's the fire. Oh yeah. Pearl Jam rocks. There's no moon. You can't even see my tent / hammock. Oh wait, there we go. So I did a modification. I put up a tarp over top of it. It's supposed to rain tonight. It's supposed to be cold. So here's a snake skin. Oh yeah. Let's take a look inside. There we go. Anyway, it's all good. This should be good. Whoa! Drunkin camping. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Light this up. Anyway, I'm gonna sleep in there. This should be good. Alright. Just don't trip on those fucking wires right there. Anyway, yeah. I'm sure you don't give a fuck. Alright. CnF Drunkin Bushcraft. Woo! Yeah! Cheers, man. Alright, Bushcraft motherfuckers. Chris just arrived. He got here pretty early, man. It's pretty good. Good timing. Alright, we're on our way. Alright! Isn't that pretty awesome that somebody put some fucking dirt down here? Yeah, well, they kind of just dirted it. It's real soft. I'm worried if it rains, we're going to be fucked down here. Feel it? Yeah, that's soft, dude. No. But you know what? I had no problems with my tires coming down. I was like, oh god, oh fuck, oh god. And then I did hit some shit on the side over there. I think where you had to stop and turn back, right? It was in the same spot, dude, up there. It's all good.
Well, you know what? Maybe I'll just set up and then we can park our cars in it.
Yeah, you know what? I was thinking about it. If it does rain, we might get fucked. Yeah, so we might want to bring them back up.
Because I know my front tires are bald, eh?
It's just soft, dude. But I'm worried if it rains, then we might get fucked. Like, look at this right here. That's not stable. Yeah, but you know what? It's a hell of a lot better than it was. Oh yeah, Chris comes prepared. He's got the full fucking knapsack going.
Oh, I thought we were gonna have to walk it.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna find you a shirt that says "All right, all right,
all right." What do you got in there? All right. Let's just close this. Do you need anything else?
Wood in the thing,
Do you need anything else right now?
I got a little bit of wood in the back seat that I found on the way.
The other side's got more room. So just for the next time. Where the fuck's the fire? Holy shit. I thought we were like right beside that shit.